Welcome to automatic expense tracking in Mint.
Take the hassle out of budgeting by making Mint track your expenses for you. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up Mint so it automatically records your spending, letting you focus on your financial goals while the app does the work.
Signing up and logging in.
Start by creating a Mint account or logging in with your existing credentials. Download the Mint app from your device's app store or visit the Mint website. Follow the prompts to enter your information and secure your account with a strong password.
Connecting your financial accounts.
To automate expense tracking, securely connect your bank and credit card accounts to Mint. Tap the Add Account option, search for your bank, and sign in using your financial institution's login details. Mint will automatically import your transactions once connected.
Categorizing and reviewing transactions.
Mint automatically categorizes most transactions, but you can adjust them as needed. Review your spending on the Transactions page, and if you spot any errors, simply tap and recategorize them. This ensures your expense report reflects your true spending.
Setting up budgets and alerts.
Customize your budgeting by setting limits for different categories. Use the Budgets tab to add spending limits for groceries, entertainment, or any other category. Enable alerts so Mint notifies you if you're close to exceeding your budget, keeping you informed and in control.
Maintaining privacy and security.
Mint employs bank-level security to protect your information. Make sure to use two-factor authentication whenever possible. Regularly update your password and review connected accounts to maintain a secure budgeting environment.
Enjoy effortless budget management.
With automatic expense tracking set up, Mint does the heavy lifting. Check your dashboard anytime for an up-to-date view of your spending, savings, and budget progress. By automating your finances, you'll save time and make smarter money decisions.